What's going on, boaters? We just got in this 2027 Barletta Lusso 25 QCSS. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the front, you have your doggy dock view door, standard in all the Barlettas, in the front and on the port side. You have your anchor storage up here, which you're also going to get that in the back. You have your two bow couches, RGB lighting throughout the whole boat, JBL audio. Over here, we're going to have our pop-up table, which also doubles as dog shade, so you can bring those dogs for a full day on the water. You have your co-captain's chair with your co-captain cup holder caddy. At the helm, you have your raised fiberglass helm, captain's chair, dual Simrad touchscreen displays, digital throttle shifting as it is powered by a Mercury 400. And in the back, you are going to have your couches as well with your flip-down armrests. And then we do have our sports stern with anchor storage, fender basket holders, ski tow bar, the flag, audio control back here, as long with your speakers as well, and the lily pad ladder. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax Crosslake or visit it on our website today.